Let's take a look at Photoshop's very basic audio editing tools. Okay, to get to these, I want you to come down to where it says penny whistle, and I want you to right click. You'll be presented with all of the audio tools, which are not very many. You have a volume slider. You can decrease it or you can increase it. I'm going to put it back to 100%, and you can just type in the number if you want. You've got a fade in and a fade out. The fade in takes place at the very beginning of the track. The fade out takes place at the very end. So for fade in, you'll have a increase in sound from no sound to full sound, or however much volume you have set, over a number of seconds. So say you want this to happen over 5 seconds, I'll just put in the 5, and let's hear how it sounds. That's kind of nice. So if I'm looking right here where my lamb, where's my lamb? My lamb comes in right at 7 seconds. So say I want that full playfulness to take place here. I would say, I'm looking here at my timeline, it says 7 seconds, so I'm going to say 7 seconds. So you can match your soundtrack loudness to whatever's happening on your screen here. So let's play this and see what happens. Whoa, I need to go back all the way to the beginning. Let me scrub my playhead all the way to the beginning, and let's look at it. There we go. That's kind of nice. I like that a lot. Okay, so it gives you an idea of what you can do. Let's right click and go back in here. So I set my fade in. The fade out, I think you can infer what you can do on the end of the track with that. Now, say that some of the tracks that you pull in have some kind of audio track with them. If you want to get rid of it, you just say, hey, mute the audio, and you do it with just by checking that mute audio button there, okay? I'm gonna leave mine unchecked because obviously I do want this audio track. Okay, those are the basic Photoshop audio editing tools. Obviously, there are not a lot of them. I'm going to put some more resources down below this in case you do need a little bit more information about how to do some extra stuff, okay? All right, guys, see you in the next video.